hello everyone, new release is made. Actually, multiple new releases are made. I have to make some new fixes to the latest release. So this is the big major release, and after that I just made like couple fixes, and I want to add another new feature too. So this is going to be a cool one. So let's go to the website and let me show you guys some of the cool stuff. I specifically added like video meta element. This is the rich text element. This will work for the watch pages. For example, if we go to the video page, this now supports on the element level, not the SEO level. I wanted to make it as an element level, so I'm still thinking about it. For now, I just need this like specifically work on the video pages only, and when the video element exists, I think it is a right choice. So rich text supports. So what does it do? I mean, it is just watch pages, how it shows on the Google. So if you have rich text, rich result, meta tags or JSON tags, it is a possibility your pages can show like that on the results. So that's that. And after that, I added custom login URL finally. So this is one of the like biggest request when it comes to the security, because I don't know, I don't like it honestly, but some people love it. So I decided to add it finally, and it's possible to create custom login to any website. By the way, I should just disable it. I don't need it for academy. It's fine. And we can just use this login to secretly log into our website. If any bot or anyone else wants to log in, people will usually try this VP admin or the VP login PHP. Of course, it will just automatically forward to homepage. So that's that. And let's disable it so I don't forget about it. And oh, by the way, I think I didn't mention recently, I added limit login attempts as well. So when bots or AI bots brute force login, tries to log into the website, after 5 attempts, gets banned 1 day. Like this is the default number, so you guys can make whatever. But 1 day is just fine. I mean, usually it's fine. And after that, let's go check the logs. Quality of life user experience, specifically for us, admin experience, actually, I added these shortcuts. Now automatically populates this, whatever exists on the dashboard. So everything on the dashboard menu, now it is on the front end as well. Now we don't have to click 2 times or 3 times to find something inside the dashboard. We can just directly click from here and go there. It is really useful. I am trying to force myself to use more because it really saves time. So sometimes I just forget about it. Like I go to the dashboard and click here, like, but muscle memory. Yeah, you guys should definitely use it. This exists in the, of course, BRX editor settings here. And another feature is coming soon bypass. So this is specifically I added for myself again because I need it all the time. I sometimes like I make this staging or development on coming soon state. Usually you guys need it on when working on the live domain, not always. When you are on development domain, I mean you are already on development domain, so not many people knows. So if I go to the front end, so there is coming soon state is enabled on the BRX, of course, the template enabled, but it is really easy to bypass. So just key, and I just made the key SNN, and boom, now it almost makes you fake the login. So this is almost like logging to website, but of course we didn't log in, so all of this stuff are just normal WordPress. And yeah, this is going to be the price most likely. and we can go visit everything just like how without login, like users will see the website. I think this is very important because now I can test the specifically, for example, I couldn't test this. I made it like HT access password, but HT access password is a little bit like too invasive. I don't like it. I don't like using HT access password. BRX coming soon state is much better for staging. So these are the, yeah. Now we can see like if it is working for guest visitors and users just fine. That's another new feature is edit. I'm gonna change this to something else after the video. So another functionality for the VP admin bar is gets added from the dashboard. So on the dashboard, I added this this one. Enable admin bar toggle on the front end. So this is really useful, especially when you add like sticky header or sticky hero section, or you have like weird GSAP animation that you want to hide the admin bar on those cases, because this pushes the page or the menu or the design a little bit. Now we can do that, hide it. It has a shortcut, Control or Command I, so it's pretty easy to use and I love it. I started to use this a lot, so I added this as a feature as well. So these are coming, like most of these features are coming from my workflow, guys. I mean, you guys are lucky. I am adding this stuff because I was using this stuff for months, some of them years now, but I wasn't sharing it. But it is about time. So it is about time to share this with everyone. Let's see. New transition effect is added. I mean, it is already coupled release for interactions, enable transition. There was a possibility like top to down transition, but that was too sharp. For example, see, like the line goes down is too sharp. Let me show it on darkest section. It will be clear. See, it is like too sharp, but this wipe down fades in slowly. So it is much cleaner. See, it is, I don't know how, yeah, it is much easier to see here. Let me try again. See, it is slowly like fades in, the leading edge fades in. So I added that as well. Okay. I made a video about it. I'm not going to show it again, but now it is possible to create revisions. When we enable this, we can create easy revisions. We can make the change, and after the change, we can sync back. Let me show it really fast. So this is the draft revision. When we create it, two posts exist. One of them is the draft revision state. Another one is the live state. Let's say I just want to change one thing, one dot. Let me show it again. Why not? So let's say I want to remove this or add another dot. And after that, I saved it. Let's go back. Only thing I need to do is to sync back. Or which one is it? There was another one existed. Okay, this one. I just need this to sync back to original. And after I do that, the live state will be updated. And this is very useful when working with the clients. So I love that. And this is another feature. I added a couple more improvements and new dynamic tags. So now for like edge cases, when there is like tons of like parent or child related dynamic tags now, because I need it for the academy. On the academy, I need like tons of child related, like sub child, like level 1, level 2, level 3 child, checking how many of them, how to get the top child from the child or the parent. Like there are tons of different, when you are building like Udemy like website, you need those stuff. So those stuff will be very useful when you guys building relationships, tons of depth and child parent related pages. So that's that. And I added AI generation. Now it is possible to create or even edit AI images. So let me show the settings first. Let's go to the AI settings. I made the default as a Gemini Flash. This is Nano Banana Flash, by the way. That's what it's called on the social media. This is Nano Banana Flash. The thing is, this is the cheapest one. Other ones are damn too expensive. Okay, don't touch it. Don't touch it. I mean, go to the open router and check the prices. After that, you guys can touch it. So that's why I made the Nano Banana Flash as a default, because it's really cheap, like 1 cent or something per image. So it's only disadvantage is it doesn't support, as output, it doesn't support transparency. Other than that, everything else is perfect. And to fix that, yeah, you guys need the Gemini Pro, but this is like about 10 cent, 14 cents, something like that. It is very expensive, like 10 times expensive than Flash. So keep it in mind. I mean, if you are not generating too much image, it's fine. You guys can use the Pro. For example, like cleaning the background of a product and stuff. Lots of test is needed. So let me show how it works as well. So let's first create a new image. Okay, generate image. So this can read the title. For example, if it is a WordPress and cars, it can read the context. I'm not going to give any context because it already reads the title. There is no content. That's why it is the content's empty, because we can't even check it. It's empty. So let's generate something. So as default, it should be 69 wide image. So let's see what it will create. Cool. It created something very random. I mean, when we say like WordPress, it automatically like align itself, the model aligns itself to a website monitor and stuff, like how a website looks. I mean, we didn't give much context. That's logical. And we can edit as well. Of course, it depends like how much context you guys give. I mean, more the context is the better. Like I always talk about this. So yeah, let's try to edit my image. So transparency output is not supported, but the edit transparency possible. Let me show what I'm talking about. So clean the biggie from the person, put it on a WordPress giant logo alien planet background. So let's try this. It takes like sometimes fast, sometimes like 5 seconds, but sometimes it takes like 20-30 seconds. Oh, this was fast, for example. It removed completely. No, I don't want that. Oh, add existing image. That's why we need to check the add existing image. Let's copy. I think I need to save it and refresh it. It doesn't see the state real time. Yeah, now it shows. Yeah, perfect. Now same prompt. Yeah, this one took like 20 to 25 seconds something. Yeah, perfect. See, like it is possible to make edits. That's why I think like this will be very useful for like if you have professional products and stuff. It is possible to edit them easily. And yeah, and if you use the Pro version, Banana Pro version, it will generate like clean transparency output as well. So okay, so I think I showcased all the important ones. Of course, the list is long, very long. Okay, so check the changelog if you guys want to, and start playing with it. I mean, the last 10 version of SNN-BRX is insane, but it happened thanks to the SNN Academy. If SNN Academy didn't existed, guys, I don't think I would add this much feature for the last 2 months, 3 months. Thanks to the SNN Academy, because I need those stuff. Because I don't want to install another plugin. I don't want to do that. That's why I invented all of these features and added to the theme. So if you guys didn't register on my newsletter, don't forget to register it so you don't miss the Academy launch. See you guys on the next video. Bye.